Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and I am doing an update to the 2020 Crafty Goals collab with Amalia. I don't know why I can't remember that. 2020 Craft Goals collab with Amalia. Don't forget, down in the description, there's all the other people that are joining in on this, so it's not just me. We're trying to get into the groove of 2020, make sure that everything is just popping, and that we're remembering all of our stuff and sticking to our goals, that type of thing. It could be anything. I know a few of you guys commented that you're following along. I think that's awesome. I picked 2 goals for 2020. Number 1 was to plan for the whole year and stick to it. And I just want to tell you guys, it has made a real difference for me. Huge difference. Now, I wasn't able to fill in every single, thing for the whole entire year, but I have themes for each month, and I've been sticking to it, and it's really helped me. No more anxiety, no worrying about, oh, what am I going to do next? I have like a month ahead, always prepared, which I feel like sometimes I had done that in the past, but this year I did it for like the entire year, and it's just been so good for me. The other thing is that, what was my number 2? Let me look back to January. I wrote it down. Sacred Mondays. Of course, Sacred Mondays. So the reason why I need a Sacred Monday and to forfeit like getting into doing all kinds of other work is to just sit down and play. Get my creativity going. If something's not like going right, then I can change it. I can make it better. If you guys have a whole bunch of interesting topics that you want to do, I can always fit those in there. I can be flexible, but I can stay consistent with what our channel should be all about. So let me go back again. Mondays have always been kind of like our play day. Penny and I would get together and, hey, did you see this idea? Or did you see this idea? So keep the ideas coming, you guys. There's never a time when I don't take that exceptionally well, that you guys want to give us ideas. I love that. So we will be doing that. I have so far been almost 85% good on keeping my Mondays sacred. The thing is that when business things pop up, I don't want to let you guys slide and wait an extra day for me to reply, because me being having a lot of integrity with my business is really important to me, and to be authentic with you guys. So I do try to keep those Mondays though, and being active and playing and doing that sort of thing on a Monday without having to worry about anything else makes me a better video creator, I feel. So I can dig deeper into a project that I want to get a handle on, and I can stick to my project within that week so that I'm not already losing it by the time I get to another week. I hope some of this is understandable to you guys. The reason why it might not be is if you have never owned a business or you're not really looking at the back end the way I am. That's no big deal though. So if you are wanting to do this collab with us, just, play along, maybe join in next year, as you get the hang of it. It is so good. It's been so great for me. So sticking with my plan for the year, awesome. Sticking with Sacred Mondays as my time to be creative and just focus in on giving you the best content. 85%, I think I could do a little bit better than that. Things just happen to fall on Mondays sometimes, but I am grateful. God is so good. I have everything that I could ever need, and I'm grateful for everything that I have that's above and beyond that. I have abundance, and I'm thankful, for you guys. So stick around, hang out for the collaboration, go down below in the links, and check out some of the other ones, because there's a lot of people joining this. It's super duper fun, and I can't wait to see you guys next video.